Welcome to Lesson 23. Today, we're going to learn how to talk about your weekend plans in Korean. By the end of this lesson, you'll be able to invite friends, suggest activities, and set up meetings just like they do in your favorite K-dramas. We have plenty of vocabulary and key phrases to get you started on your Korean journey today. Talking about your plans is a great way to bond with new friends in Korea. In this lesson, we will focus on 3 key conversational skills: asking about someone's schedule, sharing your own plans, and extending a friendly invitation. Let's get comfortable with the language used in everyday Korean social life. Before we move on, let's have a quick review of our shopping phrases. Remember,
이거 시식해도 돼요?
is for asking to try a sample food,
이거 1+1이에요?
means is this 1+1 promotion, and
포인트 적립해주세요.
is how you ask to collect points. These practical phrases are essential for your daily errands in Korea. Today's goals are simple and effective. We will learn to ask, "What are you doing this weekend?" State our own plans using the future tense, suggest fun activities, and finally, lock in a time and place to meet. Mastering these 4 steps will help you socialize confidently. To start a conversation, you can use
이번 주말에 뭐 할 거예요?
which translates to, "What are you doing this weekend?" It's natural and friendly. If you want a more general approach, use
주말에 뭐 해요?
which asks about what you typically do on weekends. When you want to share your plans, use the easy future form.
을 거예요.
For example,
저는 집에서 쉴 거예요.
means I will rest at home. It's a simple, versatile grammar point that works for any activity, whether it's meeting a friend or watching a movie. Making an invitation is fun. Try saying,
같이 카페 갈래요?
which means, shall we go to a cafe together? If you're looking for a softer way to suggest something, just add
어때요?
at the end, meaning, how about? These phrases are perfect for keeping the conversation casual and open. Once you've decided to hang out, it's time to set the logistics. Ask
몇 시에 만날까요?
for the time and
어디에서 만나요?
for the location. Being clear about these details makes the planning process much smoother for everyone involved. In Korean culture, talking about weekends is a staple of small talk. It's common to discuss plans step by step, first the activity, then the time, and finally the meeting place, often a specific subway station. If you're busy at specific date, it's perfectly polite to say,
그날은 좀 바빠요.
just keep the tone friendly and you'll do great. Let's practice our first key phrase. Repeat after me.
이번 주말에 뭐 할 거예요?
Means, what will you do this weekend? This is the standard way to show interest in someone's plans. Make it simple with,
주말에 뭐 해요?
try saying it 3 times out loud to get comfortable with the rhythm.
이번 주말에 뭐 할 거예요? 이번 주말에 뭐 할 거예요? 이번 주말에 뭐 할 거예요? 주말에 뭐 해요? 주말에 뭐 해요? 주말에 뭐 해요?
Now, let's practice stating your plans. You can use the pattern with changing verb.
저는 할 거예요.
Is simple future form to inform your plan.
저는 집에서 쉴 거예요.
Means I will rest at home. And
저는 친구 만날 거예요.
is I will meet a friend. You can swap
만날,
with
영화 볼.
to say watching a movie. Let's repeat out loud with me.
저는 집에서 쉴 거예요. 저는 집에서 쉴 거예요. 저는 집에서 쉴 거예요. 저는 친구 만날 거예요. 저는 친구 만날 거예요. 저는 친구 만날 거예요. 영화 볼 거예요. 영화 볼 거예요. 영화 볼 거예요.
We are going to practice how to invite someone. You can use these patterns.
같이 갈래요?
Means do you want to go to together? It is suggesting some place to go together.
어때요?
Means how about? You can it when you want to suggest something softly. For example, coffee, dinner, a walk, etc. It's incredibly flexible. Whether you're suggesting put the activity in front of
어때요?
and you have a perfect suggestion. Let's try these phrases together.
같이 카페 갈래요? 같이 카페 갈래요? 같이 카페 갈래요? 어때요? 어때요? 어때요?
When setting the meeting, use
몇 시에 만날까요?
for what time and
어디에서 만나요?
for where. Remember, in Korea, people often meet at specific subway exits or stations. Try saying these out loud to master the natural flow of these questions.
몇 시에 만날까요? 몇 시에 만날까요? 몇 시에 만날까요? 어디에서 만나요? 어디에서 만나요? 어디에서 만나요? 에서 만나요. 에서 만나요. 에서 만나요.
Here is our vocabulary list for this lesson. We have words like
주말,
for weekend,
계획,
for plan,
쉬다,
for rest,
친구 만나다, 친구 만나다,
for to meet a friend, and
같이,
for together. Review these words carefully as they form the building blocks for all the sentences we practice today. This word book provides a clear breakdown of our key terms. Keep this list handy for your review sessions. Knowing these words will help you understand the nuances of Korean social planning and improve your overall fluency. Let's put it all together in a dialogue. A asks, "What are you doing this weekend?" And B responds, leading into an invitation to a cafe. Notice how they suggest a specific place like Hongdae and agree on a time. This is exactly how you can conduct your own plans in Korea.
이번 주말에 뭐 할 거예요?
저는 토요일에 집에서 좀 쉴 거예요.
아, 그래요? 일요일에 시간 있어요? 같이 카페 갈래요?
좋아요. 어디 가요?
홍대 근처 카페 어때요?
좋아요. 몇 시에 만날까요?
오후 2시에 홍대역에서 만나요.
네, 그럼 일요일에 봐요.
Here's a summary of all the key phrases we've learned. From asking about the weekend to setting the final meeting point, these are your essential tools. Feel free to take a screenshot or write these down for quick reference later.
주말에 뭐 해요? 이번 주말에 뭐 할 거예요? 저는 할 거예요. 같이 갈래요? 어때요? 몇 시에 만날까요? 어디에서 만나요? 에서 만나요.
For your homework, try writing a short dialogue, filling in the blanks provided. Practicing this conversation with a friend is the best way to learn. Also, stay tuned for our next lesson, where we'll talk about the past specifically, last weekend. We've covered a lot today. From making future plans to inviting friends and setting meeting spots, you're well on your way to speaking Korean like a pro. Use these structures to stay friendly and social in your daily life.